Maize or corn marketing secret for maximum profit. Number 2, that is strategic timing and storage management. Capturing seasonal price improvements through storage. For most corn farmers who can implement it, storage represents the single most powerful marketing strategy available because proper storage management allows you to sell when prices are favorable, rather than when production occurs, typically capturing seasonal price improvements of between 0.3 to $0.8 per bushel or more, simply through better timing. The difference between selling at harvest lows versus seasonal price peaks can represent between 8 to 20% of total revenue. On a 5,000 bushel harvest, capturing just $0.5 per bushel improved through storage generates $25,000 additional income from identical production, with the storage costs, facility depreciation, maintenance, shrinkage, and financial costs typically under 0.15 to 0.25 per bushel for 6-month storage period. This favorable cost-benefit relationship makes storage infrastructure among the most profitable investment corn farmers can make, typically providing returns on investment within 3 to 5 years or less through improved marketing, flexibility, and price capture. On-farm storage infrastructure provides maximum marketing flexibility and control, allowing you to hold corn for months or years if desired, eliminating commercial storage fees and enabling you to deliver grain directly when selling rather than retrieving from commercial facilities. On-farm storage options range from simple structures to sophisticated systems. Steel bins represent the most common on-farm storage, ranging from small bins holding between 2,000 to 5,000 bushels, suitable for small farms, to large bins holding between 15 to 30,000 bushels or more for commercial operations. Modern bins with proper aeration systems, temperature monitoring, and grain condition equipment can maintain corn quality for extended periods. Initial investment typically ranges from between $1.0 to $2.5 per bushel of capacity, depending on the bin size. Larger bins have larger per bushel costs, construction quality, and additional features like aeration fans, grain handling equipment, and concrete pads. Pole barns or flat storage using temporary walls to store grain in large piles under roof cover provides lower cost storage, between $0.4 to $0.8 per bushel capacity, suitable for short-term storage or when grain will be processed on farm. Though this system requires careful management, preventing moisture and pest problems. Grain bags using large plastic bags holding between 8,000 to 10,000 bushels or more provide flexible temporary storage with minimal infrastructure, that is between $0.15 to $0.3 per bushel, including equipment, amortization, and bag costs, useful for handling excess production exceeding permanent storage capacity or for specific marketing strategies. When planning storage infrastructure investments, calculate carefully based on your typical production volume and marketing objectives. A farmer producing 50,000 bushels annually might install between 35,000 to 40,000 bushels of on-farm storage, allowing them to store between 70 to 80% of production for strategic marketing while selling 20 to 30% at harvest to cover immediate cash needs. This sized storage provides excellent marketing flexibility while keeping investment reasonable. Financing storage construction through equipment loans, farm operating lines of credit, or government agricultural development programs. Many countries offer subsidized agricultural infrastructure loans. Spread costs over multiple years while benefits begin immediately. Commercial storage alternatives provide options when on-site storage isn't feasible or economical. Most grain elevators and cooperatives offer storage services charging monthly fees typically between $0.04 to $0.08 per bushel per month, plus in-out handling charges of between $0.05 to $0.01 per bushel. Commercial storage makes sense for farmers who produce more grain than practical on-farm storage can accommodate. Want to avoid capital investments in storage infrastructure and or worse locations make commercial storage convenient. However, commercial storage reduces market flexibility because retrieving grain for direct sales to alternative buyers often involves logistical complications, and some commercial facilities restrict when grain can be retrieved. Therefore, understanding commercial storage contracts and terms like fees, maximum or minimum storage periods, retrieval procedures, and quality responsibility is essential before committing your grain. Storage management practices determine whether storage achieves its objectives or creates losses through quality deterioration. Corn must be dried to save storage moisture, typically 15% or below, preferably 13 to 14% for extended storage, because high moisture creates mold and mycotoxin risk, spoilage and quality degradation. Drying costs typically between $0.02 to $0.05 per bushel per moisture point removed, so drying from 20% harvest moisture to 14% storage moisture costs approximately between $0.12 to $0.30 per bushel. A necessary investment for storage. Implement proper aeration, circulating ambient air through stored grain during cool period, preventing moisture migration, moderating temperature, and preserving quality. Monitor stored grain regularly, that is every 1 to 2 weeks minimum, checking temperature, moisture, and pest indicators, taking immediate action if problems develop. Calculate shrinkage, that is weight loss from moisture removal and respiration, typically between 0.5 to 1.5% for properly managed, that is in 6-month storage, and factor this into marketing decisions. When selling stored grain, time deliveries to minimize additional handling and transportation costs while capturing desired market prices. Developing storage marketing strategies requires understanding seasonal price patterns and your financial situation. Conservative storage stores of between 30 to 50% of production for 3 to 6 months, selling during typical seasonal price recovery periods, late winter or early spring, providing moderate price improvements with manageable risk. Moderate strategy stores, that is between 60 to 80% of production, marketing progressively through the years as prices reach target levels of cash flow or cash flow needs arise, capturing multiple selling opportunities rather than all or nothing decisions. Aggressive strategy holds maximum production as long as possible waiting for potential market spikes, accepting risk that prices might not recover as expected. Most farmers use moderate strategies, balancing price improvement potential against risk and cash flow needs, selling portions at various times rather than concentrating all sales at a single price point. Maize or corn marketing secret for maximum profit number 3. Click on the link below or click on the video displayed on your screen right now to watch this inspiring strategy or secret. Thank you.